money. I like money. I like money. Alright, ọjọ́ di ya ki sonu mo gbegbe ya lo dra winner. Idi winner, I mo so winner na. Ya mo so winner. You must winner. You must we shakara. Because not be say you fat. Come buy waist trainer. It's available. It go give you nice shape like this. Imagine say woman wey you don born 3, e still look like this. See, you see, e still look like this. After 3, join my age. Even though I be baby, you know that I be baby. I still look like this. At least I need to do shakara. Come buy your waist trainer. Don't solo me, Stop solo me. I don't tire. Stop solo me. Look good, Okay. Thank you. You say I like shakara where I like shakara. If you fat or be I did, you must go diet. Excuse me, my people. As they come home, I feel low. Hello? Hello? Naughty. For where you know, they yeka. Why it's your one eye? Where? No. Yes, now yes. No, maybe na network. Maybe na network. Okay, thank you. Jesus Christ, oh, help us. No, na no verse for the call, oh. So the topic of today. Now, one of our brother, now he bring the topic. Come, may I share am with my people? May they see tell as you see they talk and see they show my business. If you never place order for your waist trainer, it's available now. Call me, come take your own. Not be until they mock you with your stomach before you go start to do something. See, it's available, it's original. You see the quality. You know the stretch. Not be all those way you go the stretch, you go tear. See, you not be like that. So the brother say few years ago, he married for here, Italy. But I don't want to make sure the city, the name of the auntie, and the name of the brother. Even though he give me go ahead to talk everything the city say, because the news he go viral for their city, for the people wey still know they there. Say nobody wey no know the story wetin happen to am. So I tell am say problem no dey, but I no fit bring the sister picture come out. I no go make sure the sister name, because the sister na I no do anything as my platform. I no dey share people picture. I no dey make sure people name. If you want make person respect you, you first respect yourself before person go respect you also. That one na my law for my platform here. We not dey share anybody picture, because if person still share my own in a wrong way, I will still take action. Okay? So the brother say few years ago, he married to one sister for the city where they dey for Italy here. He married to the sister. They dey okay. If they work government work, why sister never get work? Because sister only new give birth after they do their common marriage and a church marriage. After a few months there, because sister get belle before they do all these things. After the marriage, sister give birth there. They dey okay, no problem, nothing. They just dey okay as happy family. He said then they first friend for a few years before they marry, do everything what they do. He say after they don't marry, he can't see his old school friend, person wey he know for Nigeria, where they still rock together as that guy. They can't jam each other for city where they dey. Now the guy can't say he just relocates to the city, but he don't dey work. He don't still get family. Say they agree. They very happy to see their self. They can't exchange their number. He say they call each other, they greet each other. The boy they call, they come go each other house. The two wife where they married, this one wife and this one wife, they know themselves, they agree, they go out together. Since now the same community, then they see anything where they go on, they share out to each other. Say, see this thing where they will see this thing, and maybe they know say the family then come they close well. He say after few years where they take no, where they take find each other for the community, community where they now this new friend come tell am say, my friend, I dey club oh, this club I for like make you come join. He say, because say no, you not there any club, or even when you do marry, na church met by friends where you know, now you just still come, they just do all this club matter. You know there because now only one they carry house they go. You know one may meeting money come the convenience for hard things where he's supposed to do. He say he can say okay problem. No, they say the boy continue to they tell am say come join the club. You see meet new friend. You see know wetin you know. No be secret court or normal meeting. Normal club meeting where men they gather themselves they do. No be secret court. He says so. This brother say he can finally agree with the friend. Say okay, since you they tell me about the meeting, not be say he don't like to join, but now the money. He said the guy come tell am say they not they tax too much money. May he can't join. He can't go join. He said after he join finish, everything still dey okay. Now after he join the meeting, now you know say this is friend. Now womanizer. He get girlfriend for outside. He say he can continue to tell am say, guy, you get wife and children for house. Wetin still concern this small children for outside? Wetin they want offer you? They don't get anything where they want offer you and do to your collect small change where they your pockets, make your wife they cry. You know, go house the time where you supposed to take the reach house if you close for boy. Say no, guy, and so it be you no good to live with one woman. With one woman, you no good. You need to get side chick now. If your wife provoke you, you see where you go. He say, cause say no, you don't like this guy, this life where you dey live. He don't like, and he don't want me go with person where he dey live this kind of life. If you continue to dey live this kind of life, he go delete you as a friend, go block you for a contact. Everybody go they do you. He no mind. He go still come up for the meeting because now you carry and enter the meeting. He don't like this type of things where you they do at all. He said the guy can't say no, make it no, leave that one. That one not reach for two of the rotation gary, make it no worry. After he can see reason and he try to talk to her, the guy don't want to take correction. He can't live and say now life where you want live now everything. Moreover, now adult, he no fit tell him what he go do and what he no do. As well as say now what he go give her and joy. Now you know if public can't make it no call him. You know say region of your boy has been in the talking. Say they can't continue their friendship. He say one day, if friend come still tell and say when you go get side chick, try this thing, my brother. Try me and it good. The day when your wife go provoke you, go where you see where you go. Because even though the wife provoke her, the highest place where they go na piazza. If that don't see rich where they don't still take it, he go house. Even though they quarrel. If wife no dey use food take dey punish am. Once time just see she first comot for house, he go still go out because he get wife. Moreover, his wife get second belle. He no wan hurt the woman. The woman na he dey with am for many years. Why now wey things dey okay for her, they dey okay, they no dey quarrel. You come dey tell am say may he go find that girlfriend for outside. He no need that. He no wan live that kind of life. He no wan live that kind of life. You come say okay. Shine, lower your voice, please. He can't say okay, problem no dey. Then he said they can't still continue. The guy can't still continue to tell and say try side chick. You know men now. Can't say okay, problem no dey, but he don't get anybody. Oh, he don't say where he don't even approach woman reach. He know they flex. He just dey okay with his wife and a baby where they all get together. He just dey okay. He close for work. He go house, go meet his family. Say the other guy can say, no worry, I go put you through. His side chick, he go tell him, make you find one of his friends where they available for you. He say go say okay, problem no dey o. One, he no like woman wey dey talk too much o. He no like woman wey in fact o, he give am your condition. The guy say no problem. He say finally the side chick come bring him friend to this her friend, her boyfriend friend, come give am girlfriend. He say when he see the girl, he like the girl. Now man, na he thinks must twist now. He must twist, he must do. Now so he say he come approach the girl agree for am. He no know say region of your body where I first talk am before. He say they come the friend, the girl good. He can in your character, the brother will bring this matter. He say in your character can't change for house. He no come dey sleep pass again. He come dey develop love for the one wey dey outside. Why in your wife wey he marry with him money or with the fabrica money wey e no easy? He say they work together for the separate dirty. Mona know how that work. Except we don't know how that work. And I go say, that work they very hard. They smell. They even they give the something because the fabric are not too day far from my house. I they see and if I they pass there sometimes they give the something where they put for nose. If they do that work, now there the brother for the work for the city where they dey. He say because say woman when use your hard earned money marry. He no come dey love her as before again because he don't develop love for the one way he go put his hand for outside. He no fit control the love again. He and the wife get belle. He can say okay, he no want hurt this. He can dey think twice. Say may you marry and may be second wife, because the girl, the side chick, he can like her character. He say the girl they calm, get respect. If they cook, if they do everything where woman supposed to do, and before a wife still they do all these things, so that's why he still marry the woman. He can't confuse. He don't want to leave the side chick. He don't want to leave the marriage. When he can see as he don't feel control him again. He can say okay, if you may your get patient, may your wife fair give birth. He don't want to tell her she get belle now. He don't know how she go take this situation where he go put in her. May the woman fair your give birth. Glory be to God. He say after the wife don't give birth, after some weeks there, they don't reach her baby, don't they grow small. He still continue even when he supposed to deal with this woman for night. He go deal with side chick. Where he supposed to eat because if your wife born here now, they give 3 days for you for work. If you they work, they must give you time. Some they give 2 weeks, some 1 week, some 10 days. Make you take go help your wife for her. You say that days where company give her, make you take rest for her. Thank you for that love. Thank you so much. Thank you. He say few days where the woman where company give her, make you take rest, help your wife for house. When your head no still come down. You see they use that days wey supposed to take help the woman clean house, one butter, make them bath baby, put the house in order, take care of the first baby, take am go school, carry am come. He no go see chance stay safe for house. He see they use am take dey run the side chick. If you want to call in, you are free. If you have any opinion, you are free to call in. Please, somebody should help me to pin my number there. If you have my number, the voter for help me to pin the number in case if somebody want to call and still contribute. You are free, okay? He said the man say he still continue to dey go the girl how the wife come dey vet that period where the wife dey born, wey no take stay out. The wife come know say na woman he go dey see for outside, no be friend house again. He dey go because sometimes when his friend go say he go when his husband go say he go his friend place, he go call his friend wife say my husband dey there. He go say no, me and my husband go out. Even your husband never still come house. He go say okay, problem no dey. But when his wife, when his husband go come, he go say na the house they no go out. Now there they go say I call your friend wife. Your friend wife tell me say you no dey there. Say both of you now go out together. Where una can go? Wetin una go do? At least she need born. You need to help her for her. Take care of the baby. At least you still carry her. She go still sleep. She no dey sleep for night. Except never born for you. Now you don't know how that 3 months hard. When you go dey do like you go remain small, make pikin fall for your hand. Okay? What do you want? Okay, let me give you something. Wait. let me give you something. Sorry, oh, now my boy, oh, you're the wake up. Mommy sugar, you're the wake up. So he go say okay, problem. The woman go say, according to the man, say wife go say okay, problem not there. Where you they go? If fear not go let it talk. Finally, he can't tell the woman say he want marry second wife. He say the day where he tell his first wife say he want marry second wife. Then the woman wait there has come ask and say why you want marry second wife? Which problem una get for house? Why you come tell and say you want go marry second wife? If not they give you peace, say yes. Do they give me peace? In a traditional man, in a I don't want to shut it try. Yeah, where you know. Una know na. Say in a traditional man, in a name man, he must marry second wife. He can say, okay, problem not there. Go ahead and marry the second wife. But you not go stay the same house with me, oh. You must come out. We must check Gary because he no go fit marry man. We get to wife for abroad, not be Nigeria. How they want take up? Okay, you want carry and come apartment where they or you go pay house rent here, you go pay for that side. How they want take plan for their children where they come get? They say the woman can say, since you no want agree, he go do wetin dey in mind. He come pack leave the house. This period, the woman still in newborn oh. He said the pikin never still reach 1 year oh. He said finally he come pack comot for the house, follow the side chick. The side chick can't get belle. Una no get that they drop them now. He said he can't leave the job. Yeah, for the work for Italy, wherever they separate dustbin, he can't leave the job. Yeah, they for give am better contract or they earn better money. Except you know go deep for that work. That work that they receive up to 1.5. If you can't get children before they can't pay your children money joiner. Your money they go like 1.8, 1.9. If you get power to work, they know they quit the sack person for that work. If you get opportunity to then that company, if you don't know, now maybe you know because I get many white people friends where they work there. They know they sack person for that work. Once they don't give you contract, if you just calm down, they see and say you get power to work, life contract direct because many people don't want to do and they'll say they smell and money they at the end of the month your money not go smell if you go bank go withdraw your money not go smell go they sense. He say he can tell the girl say since you don't get belle now the side chick no get paper now this brother now he get paper. So he say he can tell the side chick wetin go happen now may we relocate go Germany. He said he can carry the side chick go Germany. After they don't give the side chick a house for Germany, he can leave his work here go join the girl for Germany. So they come to Germany there. Finally, the girl can't give birth to first one. Character can't they wave like Nigeria economy. Can't they wave like this? He can't they wave. Character can't they wave. Can't they wave. He say he can't they imagine say now so this girl be. What did this girl they tell me? My wife when me leave, you never tell me this kind of thing. His wife when he marry, he never do on like this. So he say he can't they imagine. Maybe now because say she new born. Maybe now because say she get belle. He can't they think different thing for his mind. He can't they bear and follow and the girl can't get carry second belle. You know say Germany now they born for 350. 350 not be fisher for children. You don't do anything. You don't even buy food. You don't even do shop if you want really buy food for house for children. You don't even buy them. Our women they born every week because of money. He say, you know, the pikin never even reach anywhere there. He carry belle for the second one. He can't see born. After he don't born too, side chick come bring all character where he hide. Come bring gun. If you call your family for house, na problem. If his friend call am here, he must tell am who call you. Wetin una talk, you go dey ask am, dey monitor am, you no dey let am dey go out, you no dey let am dey do anything. And during this wahala, he say the both family for Nigeria, they sit down, call two of them, say, my son, the family of the boy say, the brother say the family tell am say go back to your wife. This your new wife, we no know am and we no wan know am. Go back to your first wife wey dem go for your behalf go pay her bride price. Na that one they know as their wife. You see this your mommy water wey you carry come, so this their family they not go accept the girl. He said the both family they talk to am, he no listen, he no know wetin happen. He no wan listen, he no wan hear. All wetin they think that this mommy water wey go carry this side chick, na him dey in mind, na him dey in head, na him full all him heart. He no even know either he don't even get baby before. He no even care. He no know how the woman take pass the situation. He no wan even know apart from the new wife and 2 baby wey he born for her. He say after the girl don't bring the character come out, yeah, I come clear say, they really dey talk and say if man not marry 2 wife, he no go know which one good pass. Now it be this brother story so. He say come say wetin you wan come do? Where you wan run? But before this girl go give am to police, he say any little thing, if he just say make shout for am small, man of the house now say the girl go do something wrong. If he say make you correct am, go just slap am. Say if you slap me back, call police for you. He go say I be get document o. I get document dey work. Why you go leave your work come stay with you? You no even get the qualification wey you even need for woman. So all this your character wey you dey show am ever since na pretend make you take born. He say later na he come find out say the woman he don already old. You wan settle now, he don mature. He don mature. He dey find husband before he can go for the victim because of bad friend. That's why I titled this video say married men beware of bad friends. Beware, beware of bad friends. If they like make they call you name for the city where you dey say no they make friend. You wey you know they make friend, you know why you know they make friend. No be say you no go make friend say today no you good. For you not to fall for this type of things, that's why everybody they watch. Everybody they look ground before you go pull leg. Even women, you see they happen. You see they happen. We need to be careful. We need to know the type of friend as a married woman, as a woman when you want stand the home, as woman when you know say in future you want celebrate 40 years anniversary, you want celebrate 50 years anniversary, you want celebrate 60 years anniversary. You need to know the type of friend where you go mingle with. Now me talking for beginning of this year say any friend wey no get anything to contribute for me, idea you no get, money you no get, work you no get, all wetin you know how to do na to gossip, na to waka money till night. Wey no matter advice wey you go give them say this waka wey you dey waka e no good as a married woman. Mind the way you waka daytime. If your children don't go work, go clean your house. Clean your house. Where you no fit clean today, tomorrow you start for there. Where you still clean reach tomorrow, next tomorrow you start from there. Na so you go take the do am. Stop waka up and down. Know the type of friend where you dey mingle with. People when you go they stay their house, they make their money. You go sit down, they clap and they use you. They can never show you how to make money like them. You go they help them, they do the thing, they make their money for their pocket. They can, if they took the day when they'll give you 20 euro, you'll be like person where you win an award. 20 euro no go even buy groundnut oil for you, where you go carry you for 2 months. Know the type of friend, mind the type of friend where you go they follow as a woman, as a man, where you really need the marriage, where you really want to stay with one woman. Know the type of friend where you they mingle with. Friend where you know say you know good, all wetin they think of. Not to fornicate, not to get girlfriend for outside. Delete their number. Any friend wey no get wetin they contribute, all wetin you know, not to gossip you for back, not to spoil you for back, to spoil anything wey you dey do. Stay away from them. If they decide to stay on their home, congratulations. You go dey happy because you don't free. You know they disturb you. You too know they disturb and here na abroad. Everybody come find money. No, especially friend wey go say and say you dey move on, you dey do well, e go dey vex for you. You need to run for that kind of friend. Because one pastor use am make parable say, he say if you get friend or person dey jealous you, say jealousy e worse pass wish. He say jealousy e worse pass wish. If you see anybody wey dey jealous you, run for that person. Run for that person. He say if you dey run, no look back, run for that person. If na your sister dey jealous you, run from her. If na your brother, run. If na your mama, run. If na your friend, especially Italo friend, run for them. Friend wey go see and say you wan rise up, he go dey vex for you, run for that kind of person. You wan know una dey the same level, it can never be possible. If you never reach your time, you never reach your time. If na my turn fair reach, let me shine. If na your time, I'll still let you shine. I go congratulate you. I go happy for you. I go thank God for you. Know the type of friend where you dey carry. Married men, know the type of friend where you dey carry. Stay away from friend where you dey smoke igbo. Where you know they smoke, they want put you for their group. Make you come dey smoke. Say this thing good though. If you smoke, it go make you high. Where you want high go, you no go high. Make your money increase for accounts. You no go high. Make that highness help you pay your house rent. You no go high. Make that high help you pay your bills where you go come. Mind the type of friend where you dey keep. As a married man, as a single girl, mind the type of friend where you go say, hey, my friend, boy don't engage you. He go there, hey, congratulations. Later he go say, idiot, that one a boy. If that one even toast me, I go slap man. Whereas he no see, if you see that kind of boy where you don't engage you, where they spoil for your back, so now you go they lick the boy feet. Know the type of friend where you they keep. Any friend where you see say you they shine, you just they start, if they vex for you, push you for your leg, run for that friend. Run for that friend. You will not say that person is not worthy to be your friend. He's not qualified to be your friend, especially when your heart open to him. Anytime when you cry, you go give her your shoulder. When you come see and say, una not dey the same level again, go dey vex. Run for that kind of person. You don't need prophet to tell you. You don't need babalawo to tell you. Run for that kind of friend. Use your IQ. Not be everything that they tell person. You supposed to know say this friend not like you, but some people they know say that friend not like them. They not go stay away from her. They not go stay away from her. Because a few years ago, my husband used to have that kind of friend. When I see that the boy, now still married man also, he get children. When I see the first day when I see the boy, I come my husband and say this boy. Now boy I been a man. He say na man. Then I say why? He just look me like that. What did they happen? What did I do? He said nothing. If I know me before, he said no. Then I say this boy, if I remember more, because me I get one kind of spirit. If I see person, that person a bad person, my mind must tell me say this person a bad person. My spirit no go agree with that person. I can never like that person. When I tell my husband, I say leave her and a very gentle boy. Now you know say no, they follow gra friend. Then I say this boy, he no good. He get jealous mind. If your wife fat, what's it concern me? If your wife no fine, what's it concern me? You make your wife fine, nobody ugly. Now money go make you fine. Thank God for this, they are American, where they say. Give her money, may go buy, may still rub. She go fine. You know, until this guy do to my husband say, now man when you get jealous mind, now that guy be before my husband run for and say, no, I don't need this type of friend around me. You see, what of if na person wey no get sense, na he jam that kind of guy. He go make sure say he scatter his house before he go learn. I beg my brother, my sister. Know the type of friend where you dey carry waka. Hi bro, good evening. Know the type of friend where you dey follow the waka. Know the type of friend where you go carry come your house as a married man, as a married woman, before you go invite somebody to your house, say come greet me or just come my house, make we eat together. Know the type of friend where you be. Study that person very hard, because I don't fall for that kind of thing before. I know how he be, I know how he hurt. Especially friend where you dey follow, you go make sure say he dey okay, the way you see no and rich. But the little thing where you go know, for him to show you, he go turn it back like this. You go raise and you come dey find you say hey, that your own last time guy I need that more. But the time when you get little opportunity, this your friend ask you dey turn am up and down, you no wan show am. You think say na so they take dey make friend? No be so they take dey make friend. Before you go make friend, know the type of friend wey you go make. Friend when he know only your he wan take from you, he no go give, he wan receive from you. Run for that kind of friend. I no need that kind of friend. I no need that around me. I no need that around my loved ones. Every evil friend will be far, far away from me and my family. They no go even know my house to come. I talk am, nobody go come and say you come greet me. And if you born, I dey do marriage, you leave your house, you say you come greet me. You no come greet me, you come inconvenience me. Stay in your house. Don't come and greet me, oh. Stay in your house. If you want to come, me go permit you. If my mind no see carry on, don't come to my house. Don't force yourself to come to my house. Stay in your house. Don't come and inconvenience me. Yeah, na abroad. Yeah, na abroad. Stay where you dey. Stay your house. Your bed they shook you. Your bed no dey shook you. Stay your house. Stay your house. Don't come my house. I will not call yours. I know they call your house. I bet me load that early. Stay where you dey. Because some friends go call your house. They want know how you take dey live. They want know how much shopping you dey do. They want know how much bill they call your house. They want know everything about you. They don't come greet you, enjoy themselves, go out together, eat together. They don't want know. They use questions, then they ask you questions. If you not smart enough, you go carry your family matter, you go put for table. You go not give you bad idea. After there, you want to turn you to single mother. I refuse to be a single mother. As it not happen, 2005, it will not happen now. As it not happen, 2004, it will not happen now. Don't wait for me say one day I will be a single mother. That single mother, so they wish me, I wish you too. You'll be a single mother also. You cannot they wish anybody to be a single mother. You can't come for nowhere to spoil what I've been building for over 17 years. It's not possible. Married women, shine your eye. Don't let anybody control you in your husband's house. You're supposed to know what is good for you. Any friend where they jealous you, or yeah, via sitalo they talk, chase them out of your life. Any friend where see and say you buy this thing, they vex for you, chase them out for your house. Chase them out for your house. You know what to be your friend. You know what your house to come. Tell them make it go your house, go repair your house. Tell them. They'll say they're better around it. They're not better around. They never even reach your level. They're jealous. Their heart full of tears. They cry day and night because they can never be like you. Nobody can be like me. Me, I can never see be like you also. Me na me. You na see you. No use yourself to compete with anybody. No use your marriage to compete with anybody. Married men, no use yourself say your friend they carry there, you want carry. That kind of friend where you want draw you to prison, want draw you outside of your marriage, run for them. If you get that kind of friend, if they fornicate for your marriage, run for them, block them. Block them. Tell them say make it not come your house again. Tell them say make it stay on his own. Tell them make it stay on his own. You don't need that as a friend. You don't need that type of friend for your life. You need a friend where you get up, where you get something up here. Where you go feel call anytime, any day, reason things together, bring idea together. They do business together. Good business or not be business where you go corrupt country where you dey. No. At least if you they work, your friend not they work. You say, this place, they say that they take person for work there. My friend go, that kind of friend where you get what they contribute for your life. Not be that friend where you go say, you go they sleep with all these small children. Your husband where you get they do shakara, children come they see brokers for under bed. They come they see brokers for kitchen. A man of 50, 45, you go they cook for girl 23 years. You go they call her Mango. You say, yes, baby. Yes, baby. Help me wash that plate. One tea for me. What do you know they do for your wife for house? It no good. Shine your eye. Open your ear. Open your eye. Use your brain. Married men, open your ear to hear, open your eye and use your brain. Don't talk too much. Excuse me. Hello, sir. Yeah? Okay. Okay. But you go recall me if I don't do the last video finish. You go recall me again, then you go send me your size, okay? Thank you. Mona they patronize me, oh. Mona they patronize Mama Chipoe, okay? Sorry for the call. So it gets one man like that. That man is above 50. Dey this city when I dey. And they always see that man for supermarket. Sometimes when I go supermarket, I'll see him go carry Carello. How they look? If I'll see his wife or children, he get 2 children. 2 children that this man get. How they look say, where his wife? Where his wife? I can't see one Icolo girl where he never even know how to wash a private part. The guy go they curse him. Carry this Carello. This man, he go carry Carello go full. He go bring it back home and come out. Look how they look the man like this. Say, I been the carry person because the guy dey work. I been na his sister children. I been na his mama last born. How come be this one where they control this man like this? They insult him for supermarket. Now so that man they always they do am. You know they respect his wife. Small children, the one where you see her with this week, next week you go see her with another one. The one where you see her with the other day, you still see another one. Married man, old man for that matter. Old man, small children go they command them for supermarket. I don't see her for cope many times. How they look say, this man wear, this girl where they call this man, so he wear. This thing way they do, so you know they do one with his wife. If you see his wife, be like person way they Africa for village. You know they give this woman money because the woman not they work, not only one they work. You know they respect the woman. Their story full outside. You know they respect the woman. But if you come to this small color girl where they carry all this color, you know the color now. If you see her for rainy season time, you go put salt, you go pieces on. Eh? You go they carry Carello, they push her. Use power. Now so the girls they cause her for inside supermarket. Where did they worry you? Bring your back home mat. You want come for me here? All those kind of things no good. It's not good. Mona change. I beg you in the name of God. Mona change. If you get friend, you they happy. You know if they vex say you they happy. Run for run. Run for run. They pray, oh God, I will not get the mind to block this person. Since you want to use the hand to block me for a contact, God, may you know my number to block. Make him know my number to block. They pray that kind of prayer for yourself. Because you know what to be your friend. Because you don't get anything to contribute. No matter idea where you go give an idea to a year, you don't know how to use them. All waiting you know, friend where you go use them, don't pan. Friend where you go use them, don't pan. You go your friend house, if they clean house, you carry the mop. You will help her clean. But your house, you never clean them before you come out. Your children bedroom, you never even dress them before you come out for house. You never even clean gas where you cook yesterday. You want to use yourself, compare me. Come my house. No even inform me say you they come say you want to catch her in dirty. Never. Go ask. Never. I they always they clean my house. I don't get time to come they work out this waka for nothing. Go they gossip, go sit down with you. When you they make your money, while my mates they share their CV for different factories where they look for job. Me you come sit down, they clap and follow you. Say you make 1,000 a day, you make 500 a day. Never. That era don't pass. Wake up, married men. Wake up, respect your wife, respect your children, respect that vow where you vow. Either you marry for church alone, you never do komu, or you marry for komu, respect that vow now. I abeg make una stop am. E no good, e no nice wey small children all those ikolo come dey use your broccoli take dey do like this. Wait. See am na, see this 2 red apple. Small children wey e never even reach 25 years old. You wey you almost reach 50. Small children come dey do your broccoli like this. Hey, see as e big o, see as e small no. They come dey turn your broccoli like this. They come dey twist am. Later don see lose am like this. If they don say am say you don see tie am like this. Small children. Why you get beautiful wife for house, you no wan stay with her? You no wan respect yourself. Na everything devil dey cause. Until they go twist your broccoli, they go twist your broccoli, they go twist your broccoli. They go cut am before you go know say outside no good. Before you go know say no be every girl wey wear human hair na e get good heart. Many dey be devil. Stay away from girls, married men. Stay away from fornication. Deliver yourself. Don't wait for anybody to deliver you. Discipline your heart. Anytime when your heart they tell you that evil thing, they rebuke am. Deliver yourself. Say, children, we never see my brothers. They pray that prayer, married men, when they fornicate. Not all married men when they fornicate. Anytime when you take the prayer, I beg you in the name of God. Add this prayer point to your prayer. Add this prayer point for your prayer. Say, Father Lord, any little children when you want to use your brothers, they twist like this. They twist your brothers like this. I will never know their way to go. They will never know my way to come. They pray that prayer. You know good. That your private partner for only your wife. Let her remain so. Don't share am with all this ecology, all this equality, all this equality and get. Don't share am to them. Even though they die, let them use their eye to see. You can say you can't do. May be like that. Mona stop fornication. Mona no dey breed disgrace. This our brother now, when you don't use the hand to spoil the house now. You see, ever since now where the girl don't turn himself to lion and tiger for Germany now, because don't they see German money now. You know, say many of our some of our women for Germany, some of them, not all, good one where they work, they many there. The fake one where you relocate, the name of the money, no see all. So where you relocate, they still go school, then they work. The one where you don't want work for there, where it depends for government money, where they burn every week. Now that girl go join. He says since now he dey cry. He don't know how he want to come back to his wife for Italy. When he call see his wife for Facebook, his level don't change. His wife wey know they wear human hair before, his wife don't they wear human hair. His wife wey know they work government work before, his wife don't they work. He don't they see money they use. That's why they always they tell women, especially young women like me, when you don't see marry, your children don't grow. What you they do for house? Look for job. Do something. They say online business. People they do one. If you not get anybody where put you through. Call me, I get person where they do online business. If they make a money, as far as you get documents, go write your CV. See they share and they go. One day go better. Let your husband still know say, my wife be the trial. Now because they never see. No be money tonight. You go there Facebook. You want see person where they bring their broadcast come on. You want see woman where they bring their naked video come on. If you see the kind so kind things where some married women they share for Facebook, you go they shame. Say this person their husband house. They know they work. They know they work. If you even applaud them, they don't get power to work. Call them for cleaning work now. They don't know how to clean glass. If they clean glass, man go full on. Even to clean gas, they don't know how to clean gas because they don't learn that for their house. How they want to go do one for outside. All what they know. Who they make trouble for Facebook, they want share. They want share. If I go work today, now you not go see me for live video because live video not they pay me. Now me see they spend put if you don't know the secret of Facebook. Now you go see spend if you don't know. Now you go spend. I go my work. I go my work 20 euro na money, 30 euro na money. As far as say you feel they contribute for the community where you dey, for the country where you dey. Now good thing for you, Now big accolade for you. Say at least if they tap my name, they go see my name still dey among of people wey dey work for this country. No be to come dey Facebook 247 to dey share bad thing 247. E no good. Don't dey useful to yourself. Work. No be until man go give you money before you go buy Maggi. All those one no dey reign again. Business or like business, they buy things, still share, still buy things, still sell for people. No dey jealous. Don't fill your heart with jealousy. No pursue, no dey pursue you. Who dey pursue you when you dey wrong? Nobody dey pursue you. Nobody hates you. Now you hate yourself. Now you feed yourself with jealousy. All those one no go let you move forward. If you want move forward in life, you need people wey you don't see move forward, wey go see show you road, how you take move forward. No be how you take fill your heart with jealousy and hatred. You can't expect that kind of person to show you road. He will never show you. Do something for yourself. Pray good prayer for you and your people wey dey around you. Stay away from bad friends. Stay away from bad friends. Okay, this brother will bring this topic come now. How you want to go back to your wife now? Now you dey ask now. Wetin he go do wey go make his wife come back now? Wetin he go do wey go make his wife come back? Me, I no know the answer. Either the woman don carry another man, I no know. The woman still dey available, me, I no know. He just bring am, make others stay learn. May you beware of friends. If you dey follow friend wey you get side chick, wey you know say you don marry, or you get serious girl wey you wan marry, stay away from that kind of friend. Na he put am for this frustration wey he dey now. Why he dey work for Italy? He get peace with his family. This Ikolo girl na don twist am go Germany now. He go join lazy youth wey dey no wan work. They want chop government money. They forget that money wey they give them for Germany. Now people tax wey they pay. People wey they work na their money. And they say no be ordinary toilet they wash. Person wey they wash toilet here, he receive better salary pass Nigeria doctors. Tell me how many Nigeria doctors they receive like 1,000 euro a month, or 900, or 800, or 1,200. No day. Cleaner here they receive that kind of money. If you don't know, if you they go then now bicycle they drive. Yes, so who drive bicycle today go drive car tomorrow. Everything na turn by turn. Na time by time. Na time by time. Turn by turn, I mean. Na everything be. Don't run past your time. If your time never reach, no matter run where you go run that run in vain. If your time reach, no matter what the enemy go do, you must shine. Now so life your be. I beg, may we know the type of friend where we see they keep. May we know the type of friend where we they keep. You get friend, you want marry, go tell you say na burial you want go do. That one a friend. Friend where they lie. Any give me. Friend where they lie. Na me di ke na ave le me be near yak pitani e do. I will not talk or finish. I beg. If you know say you get any contribution where they valid, where I don't know how I want to put down, where you go give the man idea how you want to go beg your wife, or I don't know. I beg, put the comment there. If you want call, you are free. You are free. My number there, I don't know the number of it apart from the other number. I don't know. Somebody should help me to pin my number, I beg. If you want to call, you are free to call. Also leave your comments there. Problem no dey, go see and there. It's no good to keep bad friend. As far as say that friend, don't they tell you that evil thing, don't they bring that evil talk, they rebuke am. Delete am subito. Say this friend, don't come my house again, don't call me again. We not be enemy. Anywhere where we foresee, we greet the end there. Don't come my house, I will not come your house. Now me they talk and say, not come my house if I not call you. I born, you not come greet me. I do marriage, you not come. Now when I come there, okay, you want to inconvenience me for my house. No come. Where you want me? Who they do that one these days? Come my house. No come, I not call you. They your house. Go work, go hustle money. Go look for money. Go look for money. Some of our women, if you call, they say that they look for work. If you call them, they go make sure say they spoil that place for you. I don't see them. when you go carry friend go abadanti, they will start to dey insult the woman or the man. At the end, now that money wey they want pay you, now go pay your house rent. E too short. E too do this one. E vomit. But if now your mother come vomit for her body, you no go clean her, you go slap her. No. You no go slap her, you no go beat her. They don't want work. Many of our women, they don't want work. They go get kata sojourn, they say they don't want work. When I Italy, they Jamie. Yeah, you will say Jamie, yeah, you will lazy. Yeah, you will say London, yeah, you will lazy. Yeah, money and winner. I bet that kind of friend, Mona not follow them. Mona not me go with that kind of friend. All those lazy friends, you don't need them for your life. You need good friend. Friend that can give you good advice. Friend that you can run to. If you dey in need of advice, friend where you go call one say, auntie or mommy or mama name you this how take go, how take do, and you go say okay, do one like this, do one like this. If you do one like this, it go be like this. That kind of friend that you go keep, no be friend where they waka avanti dietro everywhere. Boya wa. When they why say na when they civilize say na some for wa women ya dey pok man ya kinwe aso me your azize your kameke ya yario when they why say na when ya civilize say na iya ma de akin ma we kuye. I beg my people, na so we'll talk and reach this evening. If you never subscribe for Mama Triple A, I beg, go subscribe for my YouTube. Share my video out from YouTube. Now watch out what we can't need so that maybe we be there. Now watch out what we can't need. I beg. Wanna share my video. Those that subscribe already, thank you and God bless you. Those that share my video on YouTube, thank you. That hand that you used to share, now so money that hand go they count for you. Anything where you touch go bless for you. Thank you all. One love, my people. Shalom. Bye bye.